Need to turn off SafeSearch on Google? SafeSearch filters your search results, but sometimes you need access to everything for research or other legitimate purposes. Here's how to disable it quickly. On desktop, go to google.com, click Settings at the bottom right corner, select Search Settings from the menu, scroll down to SafeSearch Filters and click Off to disable all filtering. On mobile, open the Google app, tap your profile picture in the top right, scroll down and select SafeSearch. Then choose Off from the options. If SafeSearch appears locked and you can't change it, that means it's being controlled by Family Link or your school work network admin. You'll need the appropriate permissions to modify it. That's it. Just refresh your Google search page and the changes will take effect. Hit like if this quick tutorial helped you out and subscribe for more straightforward tech tips.